Hey everybody, we had some good trades this week, so I'll show you what I think is the trade of the week because it was a little bit different. Most of the time when I take a trade, I don't trade a direction. On pending home sales, I did notice that the market was very bullish, okay? And I saw that gold was pushing up. So let me show you right before the trade. And we were also experimenting with our new magnet trade setup, which we just went over in our live stream this week. But the pending home sale, I noticed that gold was bullish. The price of gold had been going up pretty much all morning. And pending homes is no daily trade report for it. It has not been a good performer, but when we went through the videos, we saw some good performance over the past 5 months or so. So I decided to trade it in my prop account, but only long. So our software has that feature where you can just choose to put one order above the current price. It could be multiple contracts. So that's what I did. There's my order. Watch what happens. The pending home sales news comes out, immediately hits my first and second targets for a winning trade. I just didn't want to be short, and I really thought that that would be the way to make profits. We traded our prop account. We made over $200 in just 2 seconds. So that is our trade of the week, pending home sales, because we did something unique. We used our analysis, we reduced our risk, we traded one direction, and it worked beautifully. Pending home sales, this week's trade of the week. Hope you're all having an awesome Labor Day holiday. Check your email for the link on our special Labor Day trial that is going to go away if you don't sign up soon. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you next week.